Attention parents. All of the videos on How To Kids are kid-friendly, but direct adult supervision is required for all of them. We do not knowingly collect, use, or disclose personal information from children under age 13. If you are under age 13, you must ask your parent or guardian for permission to watch this video or any video on How To Kids. Parents, by allowing your child to watch this video, you are consenting to usage information being disclosed for advertising purposes, which is integral to the operation of this channel. If you do not consent, please stop watching the video now. Thank you and enjoy How To Kids.
Hello and welcome back to
How To Kids.
Today we're going to do a really simple volcano. The ingredients are water, got a little bit of warm water there. We've got a pan to build the volcano in. We've got some animals even, because we're going to have the volcano destroy the animals.
And we got a shark so it can swim.
Swim in lava?
Ooh.
Okay, and then we've got a container. We're just using an old barbecue bottle that we had lying around, so that's what's nice. Try to find something that you got lying around, keep it cheap. A couple tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a cup of vinegar, and some food dye because we're going to make it look like lava. So we've got some red food dye here. You can use whatever color you want. But right now we need to head outside and go grab some dirt to be able to build our volcano here. So let's head outside, go get us some dirt to build our volcano, all right?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, so here we are. We'll dig out some dirt so that we can build our volcano.
Yeah.
Go ahead, guys, get it in the bucket.
Okay.
We have a good spot here in our backyard where we're able to find plenty of dirt.
So we got our dirt.
We got our dirt, we're ready to go. Yeah. So now we can build our volcano. So let's get these animals out of the way so that we can build our volcano here.
Is the dirt gonna be on the bottom?
Yep, so first what we're gonna do in our dish, you could do it in a cookie sheet as well. We've got one of these roasting pans that works really well, so it's easy to clean up. You can even throw it away if you need to afterward. So you're gonna take your container, put it in there, and now we get to do the fun part, which is get our hands dirty. So we're gonna pour the dirt in to our container here. Okay, so we had to use some water to get it nice and muddy so that we could get it to stay up on the bottle, get it up very high. Like I said, we used the barbecue sauce bottle. You can just use a bottle that's lying around. 2-liter bottles are also really good to use. Yeah, you're right. You can't see the bottle anymore, huh? That's what we were shooting for, so it looks like an actual volcano.
Yeah, it's gonna be like,
I know.
whoa, that looks like a volcano and all the dinosaurs.
It's gonna be cool. So yeah, so we got that. It was kind of messy. We had to wash up a little bit, but we were able to use it with the bucket of dirt that we had. We were able to build it with what we had. We had enough dirt, which was nice.
Yeah.
Okay, should we put some animals on there?
Yeah. So, kid, where does that one go?
Right,
Oh, this one. I think this one should go like more like over there.
Cool. We got some dinosaurs.
But this one, they have to be spread out a little. I know they have. Yeah. Okay, and then this
out.
guy, where does this guy go? Oops, sorry.
Have him going up on the side.
This guy? He's going up to the volcano. He's eating something. He's eating rocks.
Okay, sounds good. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put our half cup of water in there. Pour that in the bottle.
I want to look inside.
Look up in there.
There's water inside.
Yep. Okay. Now we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Pour that in there. Oh, make sure we get it all in as much as we can. Oh no, it's coming down the sides. That'll just make it fizz more on the sides. That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, let's use this stick to kind of funnel it down in there. Using a funnel would be a good idea to get it in a little bit better than what we're doing here. We just didn't have a funnel on hand, and
That's
so
snow.
yeah, it kind of looks like snow. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
I like that.
We should have got a snow leopard.
Okay, so
Yes.
we got it in there. We used a little bit more than 2 tablespoons, so it'll work.
I can't see it.
But Keith, the snow leopard is missing and it's hand painted, remember?
Okay, we're gonna stir that around a little bit. Okay, let's drop in a couple drops of the red food coloring. That's what we chose to do. You can do whatever color you want. We figured that way it'll look a little bit more like lava. Put a few more. We want to make it really red. Oh yeah, good. Drop it right upside down. Good, right there. 2 more. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay.
We should have
And now
going the rules.
for the fun part. You ready for this, guys?
Stir it.
Now we're going to pour in the vinegar.
Oh, it's gonna explode.
Whoa!
That was so exploded right in my face.
That was awesome.
How did I?
Oh, that shark's a little bit buried. And this dinosaur's a little bit more buried than he was. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, he got buried too. Should we do it some more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it some more, alright? Okay, should we do it again?
Yeah.
Let's do it again. So this time we just grab the stuff.
In my
We're
face
gonna put
again.
it right in there.
It's gonna
Put
explode
the
on my
baking soda in.
face. No. It's gonna explode on my face again. You ready?
Should we add more this time?
We'll add more vinegar, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Snow.
there's
Snow
the-
again. Oh, the snow. The snow.
There's
It
the
went away.
baking soda.
The snow.
a little bit more in. Okay, watch out. Here we go.
So it's gonna
Oh, we need to put some of this in. Make it red again.
Oh, that's
There.
a lot of red. That's gonna be
Now,
really
we should have put it
red.
in the water, huh? Could have put it in the water and then it would have made it really red.
Ready?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. It's gonna explode in my face. Whoa!
Yeah!
Even more, yeah!
Oh, it's kind of bubbling up. That's cool. Thanks for watching our video today. Hope you guys had a great time making this together as a family. We sure had a good time, didn't we? It was so much fun.
It looked just like a volcano.
Yep.
It exploded on my face!
So be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our other how-to videos that you guys can do together as a family. And thanks for watching.
How to kids!
See you later.